Electric Palmon are interesting because many of them have special targeting abilities. But the question is, are they actually strong? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will break down all the regular Electric Palmon based on their skills and battlefield roles and help you understand which one performs best in your lineup. Seasonal Palmon, like Thundertooth, are obviously the strongest in the faction. However, just like the previous video, we are focusing only on the regular, free-to-play UR Electric Palmon. Seasonal Palmon will be covered separately. Basics. Palmon's first skill describes its normal attack. Electric Palmon have slightly more unique normal attacks compared to the water faction. For example, Manta Ray and Batarina both target backline enemies. Barkplug strikes all enemies with its normal attack, but at a lower damage factor. And among them, Manta Ray has the highest normal attack damage. However, normal attacks are still not significant when compared to rage skills, so we won't spend too much time or resources on them. As usual, the fourth skill is identical across all UR Palmon, providing 20% attack, defense, and HP. The fundamental differences come from their rage skills, passive skills, and evolution bonuses. Because Electric Palmon are more complex, we will split the video into two parts. In this video, we will focus on the Frontline, Fulgairy, Abuzzinian, and Barkplug. Their job is simple. They must survive long enough to protect your damage dealers in the back. Each one is designed differently, so let's go through them one by one. Fulgairy. Fulgairy is a counterattack tank of the Electric faction. Its rage skill does not directly attack. Instead, it creates a counterattack shield that counters 5 attacks. Each counterattack deals over 1,500% damage. Fulgairy's passive skill is crucial for the Electric lineup. It provides all Electric allies with 20% damage reduction, which is a decent defensive buff. When evolved after Fulgairy casts its rage skill, all Electric allies gain 2 extra counterattack attempts, each dealing 300% damage. The defensive boost makes Fulgairy a must-have frontline Palmon for the Electric team. Did you know the in-game bundle costs a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right, that's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lootify. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Abuzzinian. Abuzzinian is a unique tank. Instead of extra HP or damage reduction, it gains a 30% evasion boost from its passive skill. This makes it harder to be targeted or hit during battle. Its rage skill strikes the 2 enemies with the lowest HP for over 4,800% damage. This is a highly strategic targeting pattern, as it enables you to quickly finish off weakened enemies. However, Abuzzinian is still a frontline Palmon. It does not have the offensive bonuses that backline attackers enjoy, so its damage will naturally be lower. To make up for this, evolving Abuzzinian unlocks a 35% critical rate boost, which dramatically increases its damage potential. After evolution, Abuzzinian becomes not just a dodgy tank, but also a decent hitter. Overall, Abuzzinian is a solid pick. It defends well, and after evolution, it hits much harder than most frontline Palmon. Barkplug. Barkplug's rage skill deals over 6,500% damage to one enemy. This is not as impressive as Abuzzinian, but the rage skill is not Barkplug's main strength. As a tank, Barkplug gains a 30% HP boost from its third skill, making it naturally sturdy. The interesting part comes from its evolved skill. Every time Barkplug lands a normal attack or rage skill, there is a 10% chance to apply shock, causing the enemy to take 20% more damage for 10 seconds. In other words, evolving Barkplug allows it to boost the entire team's damage output by weakening the enemy. And because Barkplug's normal attack hits all enemies, it has more opportunities to trigger the debuff. Barkplug is a regular tank, but if you evolve it, it becomes a good team enhancer. The best part is that Barkplug can fit into any lineup without the electric limitation. Alright, that is the end of today's sharing. We will cover the electric backline in the next episode. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.